Hello junior discoverers, get ready for an electrifying showdown as the untamed carnivores of the jungle go head to head with the gentle herbivores of the farm in an epic mud madness challenge. Join us on this thrilling adventure as the predator's instincts clash with the prey's resilience, creating an atmosphere charged with excitement, suspense, and valuable learning experiences. So let's go. Understanding the ways of first animals, sheep. Sheep were one of the first animals to be domesticated by humans around 10,000 years ago. One of the primary reasons humans domesticated sheep was for their wool. Different breeds of sheep produce different types of wool, ranging from fine to coarse. Unveiling the enigmatic world of bamboo bears. Panda. Pandas are easily recognizable by their distinctive black and white fur with black patches around their eyes, ears and across their bodies. Pandas are native to central China and can be found in the mountainous regions, particularly in Gansu provinces. A close-up on nature's unique insectivore Anteater. Despite their slow and lumbering appearance, Anteaters are quite efficient hunters, capable of consuming thousands of insects in a single day. Anteaters have a distinctive appearance with long snouts, bushy tails, and a shaggy coat. Getting to know the goat. Goats are quite vocal animals. They use different bleats, calls, and gestures to communicate with each other. Goats are often used for vegetation control as they can graze on plants that are hard for other livestock to consume. Female goats are called does, males are called pugs. Spotlight on Earth's tallest residence, giraffe. Giraffes have excellent eyesight, which helps them detect predators from a distance. Their large eyes provide a wide field of view, and they are particularly good. The long neck of a giraffe has the same number of vertebrae as most mammals. Exploring the unique ecology of hippopotamus. Hippos are generally social animals and live in groups called pods or bloods. These groups can range from a few individuals to as many as 30 members. The dominant male, known as the bull, usually leads the group. Despite their massive size, hippos are herbivores. The quirky charm of llamas unveiled. Llamas are well adapted to harsh environments, including high altitudes and rugged terrains. They are known for their sure-footedness in mountainous regions. Llamas were domesticated by the indigenous people of the Andes Mountains in South America. Beyond the sports, cheetahs in focus. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, capable of reaching speeds up to 75 miles per hour, covering distances up to 500 meters in just 20 seconds. Cheetahs are easily recognizable by their distinctive black tail stripes. Focus on the mighty wolf. Wolves are known for their cooperative hunting strategy, where pack members work together to bring down prey. They have a wide distribution and can be found in North America, Asia, and parts of the Middle East. They demonstrate problem-solving skills in hunting. Discover the beauty of these giants. Elephant. Male elephants may live alone or in small bachelor groups. Elephants use their ears to regulate body temperature. Blood vessels in the ears help dissipate heat. Elephants use their trunks for breathing, touching, grasping, and even making sounds. Understanding the social lives of geese. There are various species of geese including Canada geese, snow geese, and grey-legged geese among others. Many geese are known for their long-distance migrations. They often fly in a V formation, which helps them to save energy during the flights. Next in line, witnessing the grandeur of bulls. Bulls are generally larger and heavier than cows. The size and weight can vary significantly depending on the breed. Bulls are known for their sometimes aggressive behavior. Bulls are often used symbolically, and in many cultures they represent strength and power. Get ready to encounter the polar bear. Adult male polar bears are generally larger than females. Males can weigh between 900 to 1600 pounds, usually weighing between 500 to 700 pounds. Polar bears are strong swimmers and can swim for long distances. Get ready to roar with lion. Lions are powerful animals capable of reaching speeds of around 35 mph in short bursts. They also have strong jaws and sharp claws. Lions are known for their love of sleep and can sleep for up to 20 hours a day. They are most active during the evening and early morning. Unveiling the mysterious Black Panther. Black panthers can be found in various parts of the world, including Asia and Africa. In Asia, they are often identified as black leopards, while in the America they are identified as black jaguars. They are adaptable to various habitats including rainforest, swamps, grasslands and savannas. Exploring the farm animal zebra. Zebras typically live around for 20 to 30 years in the wild, depending on the species and environmental factors. Zebras are known for their resistance to certain diseases that affect other ungulates in the same regions. Zebras are native to Africa and are found in various habitats. Discovering the life of Rhinoceros. Rhinos are known for their powerful charge. Despite their massive size, they can run at surprisingly high speeds. Especially when they feel threatened, rhinos are endangered due to poaching for their horns, habitat loss, and various other human-induced threats. Our next guest, the mighty tiger. There are 6 living subspecies of tigers: Bengal, Indo-Chinese, Malayan, Siberian or Amur, South China, and Sumatran. The Caspian tiger and Javan tiger are extinct. Tigers are found in a variety of habitats including grasslands, savannas, and dense forest. Thank you for watching our Carnivores Wild Animals Challenges Herbivores Farm Animals episode. Don't miss out on the action-packed fun. Subscribe now to join us on the thrilling journey through the jungle and farm, where every twist and turn brings new opportunities for adventure and discovery. Until the next muddy adventure, bye bye Junior Discoverers!